Hi everyone, this is Dr. Davis, your instructor for MAT 112. I just wanted to record this brief video to give you some overview of what to look for in our course. As you can tell, in this area there are live events. We will have 2 live events per term, one in the very first week and one in the very 8th week, because I want to make sure that you know how to start the course and how to end the course. In this area where it says book a tutor, this is where you would go to book a tutor for this course. In this area here, it says how to schedule an appointment. Alan does math appointments, and so does Christy. So please make sure that you keep that in mind. In order to start this course, you want to make sure that you know my office hours. That's in this area. For the first week, you want to go ahead and start the instructor welcome, weekly overview, and syllabus acknowledgement. You do need to acknowledge the syllabus within the first 24 hours of the course. You acknowledge it in this area. You do need to register for ALEX. Please note that all of our course assignments are in ALEX, so you do need to register for it. In our course, we also have Yellow Dig. In order to contribute to Yellow Dig, you go over here in this area to post your intro post. In this area, I will post all announcements for our course. Those announcements should go straight to your email, so you'll be able to see them. Also, the syllabus is where you will go in order to find how much the point values are, as well as all of your course summary assignments. So these are all the assignments and when they're due. Please make sure that when the time comes for you to submit assignments, please submit all assignments by Sunday night. Your grades, this is where you'll be able to see the grades as I update them every Monday morning. And also, I do keep track of attendance. So please make sure that you're in the course at least 3 to 4 times a week so that I can know that you're actively engaged in the course. I will also send Google Voice text and inboxes as well as announcements to keep you updated with what's going on in the course. On the side is all the coming up areas. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and welcome to this course.